Hello, my name is Marie Mullaney, and I have just finished the second book in my epic fantasy series, Sungwheel Chronicles. Book 2, The Ducal Heir, is ready for launch, and hence this crowdfunding campaign. The goal of this campaign is to raise sufficient money to have a professionally recorded audio narrated book accompanying the physical print book as well as the ebook publication. With my first book, The Hidden Blade, I did the narration myself and published that as an audiobook, which has achieved okay success, but it has been a dream of mine to have a professionally narrated audiobook available to accompany my work. And that is what I'd like to appeal to you for today. If you enjoy epic fantasy, if you like character-driven stories set in fully realized secondary worlds where magic is real and the danger chases the characters, these books might very well be for you. You can check out The Hidden Blade on Amazon, and you can check out the reviews for it in Goodreads. I have also made the first 4 chapters and the prologue of The Ducal Heir available as a link on my website, which you can check out in the campaign details. The story of the Sungwheel Chronicles is a tale of black-hearted sorcery growing in the center of the Empire of Lumiaron, and the desperate battle of those who oppose it coming together from disparate continents and very different backgrounds to form a team to oppose the seeping darkness of blood magic. If this sounds interesting to you, if you enjoy what you read below, check out my perks and maybe support this campaign. And if you can't support this campaign right now, you can still help by sharing it far and wide on social media so that it can reach others and find the readership that I hope this series will enjoy, and I can bring the narration to life. Thank you very much for your consideration.